Hello everyone, this is Ali and today I am going to tell you something very interesting. Do you ever think that you can make money by just predicting the future? Yes, by just predicting the future. So I am basically talking about events contract. So in today's video, we are going to have a deep explanation of what basically an event contract is. So sit back, relax and don't go anywhere. An event contract basically allows traders to predict the outcome of a specific crypto price in a specific period of time. An event contract is a yes or no trade on the specific outcomes, and if your prediction was right, you win a fixed payout, and if your prediction was wrong, you don't need to worry, you don't need to panic, you just lose a fixed amount of money. But before going deep where you can find this event contract, let me tell you something very interesting, and yes, hear it carefully, that you can only play this events contract on your mobile phone, you cannot play it on your laptop. So I am going to play it on mobile phone, so let's start. So after opening the following app, you will see a screen will appear. Then after that, you have to click on the future because this option is only available in futures. So after clicking the future, you have to scroll up and there you will find the options of event. After clicking the event, you will see a graph will appear on a mobile phone and you will note that this graph is of Bitcoin. So let me tell you something very important here, that you can only play on two coins here. Number one, Bitcoin, and number two, Ethereum. So you have to choose Bitcoin or either Ethereum for your trade. So let's say you choose Bitcoin. So after selecting Bitcoin, you have to place your desired amount. Let me tell you something very important to note here, that you can only play if you have $5 in your wallet. It means that you cannot play if you don't have $5 in your wallet. So just above where you place your desired amount, you will find the option of time duration. You have to place your order in either 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, or even 1 day. Now let's say you selected 10 minutes, and after selecting the time duration, now you have to predict either it will go higher or lower. You will find the options of higher and lower below where you placed your desired amount. And after prediction, now you just have to place your order. I hope now you just understand what basically event contract is and how you can find it. So now you'll be thinking what will happen next, right? So for that, you have to wait for our upcoming episodes.